In this video, I will talk to you about the production stages of every online course. By the end of this video, you should be able to enhance your production process and enhance your success rate. Welcome to TAD Coaching. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It helps with YouTube algorithm. In this video, I'm going to cover a few points including outline creation, creation time frame, pricing, hosting choices. At the beginning, I will list below the main production stages for any online course. Research the topic. Even if you're experienced with it, it will be better to check the latest updates or news about the subject. Create your outline. Presentation slides. Record lectures. Edit lectures. Encode lectures. Upload the lectures. Add titles and descriptions. Create sales page. Create course thumbnail. Create quizzes. Create worksheets. Create certificate. Set price. Starting with the outline creation. Let us divide it into 3 categories. The first one will be the knowledge that includes your research and experience. By transferring your knowledge, you will help people to get the results they're searching for. Before starting the outline, you need to think about the impact you want to have on your students, which should be very specific and measurable. For example, do you want to teach the students how to start a new blog, or how to create a 2D animated presentation? Only at this point, you start the process of how you're going to download that knowledge and being able to package it in a digital format. Start by listing all the possible lectures, which includes everything you know about that specific topic. Then review that list, asking yourself, will this point help my students get the results they're searching for? After that, group the lectures into modules and sections. Some creators prefer to start listing the main points to reach the result, then break them down into lectures. Both methods can work. It is your choice to do it in the way you prefer. Once you create the modules and list all lectures, based on the feedback, you start the enhancement phase by adding worksheets, quizzes, case studies, and bonuses. Time frame for creating the course. The average course is anywhere from 4 to 6 hours length. In this period, you're going to teach content that will get your students from point A to B in the most efficient way. Anything that is not helping them to get to point B should be removed from the course. Below is the ranges and the averages of modules and lectures creation. 4 to 8 modules per course, 4 to 10 lectures per module, 20 to 80 lectures in total, 5 to 20 minutes lectures. 5 modules per course, 5 lectures per module, 25 lectures in total, 10 minutes lectures. Those are the ranges and the averages of video content creation. Every 1 hour video needs 4 to 8 hours of work, so every 1 hour of video content should be multiplied by 4, 8 or 10 times of work hours. This depends on the topic, graphics, etc. Every 1 hour video needs 6 hours of work. Now, how much you can charge per hour of video content? $5 to $100 per hour. A course can be between 1 to 20 hours and needs 4 to 160 hours of work, excluding marketing, and can be charged anywhere from $20 to $2,000. Ideally, you should be able to charge around $50 per hour of video. A course of 4 hours long takes about 24 hours to create, and you can charge $300 for it. This is only on self-hosting. If you're selling the course on a marketplace, charging this amount is much harder. How many sales do you need to break even? For example, your rate is $50 per hour. Then 25 hours of work hours times 50 equals $1,250. $1,250 divided by 300, which is the price of your 6 hours course, equals 4 sales. If you get selling the course for $300 after 4 sales, it is all passive income. So, starting your outline. First, write down the goal. Then plan the delivery. How are you going to deliver it? After that, set the price. Then list below all the modules and put a title and description for each. On another private spreadsheet, you can list all the modules and their lectures to track the creation process. Now, where to sell the course? In general, there are two main ways, either self-hosting or marketplaces. Let us have a look on self-hosting versus marketplaces. Pros of self-hosting: collecting the email address of your students, flexibility in charging for your course in average between $20 to $2,000, keeping almost all the revenues, possibility to pre-sell your course. While cons are paying for hosting fees, marketing must be done by yourself, which is expensive and needs a lot of work. Pros for marketplaces: no hosting fees, marketing is done for you. While cons are approval process can require a lot of changes on the material from platforms like Udemy. The maximum amount you can charge is $50, depending on the platform. This means for some instructions the value is much lower than it should be. No access for student emails. They keep around 50% of sales. So, as a summary, for self-hosting you have more control, more income, but there is more cost. While as for marketplaces, less control, less income, but starting cost is much less. Self-hosting providers: Thinkific, Teachable, or WordPress. Marketplace providers like Skillshare or Udemy. Hopefully this video helps you in planning your online course business. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now it is your turn. Are you going to put your course on a marketplace, or you prefer self-hosting? Let me know by leaving a comment below.